Bro, you're so choppy for me.
Crazy.
What? How did I die?
Did you kill yourself? Thanks for the free kills, little bro.
That doesn't count.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't. I am literally roasting your butt cheeks off.
But you love it.
Bro, you're so choppy.
Sure,
I'm
bud.
aiming right at you. What? Where are you?
Uh-oh.
Where are you? Oh, heck no. Yeah.
Fuck. So I think this is just PvPing and PvPing at this point. So you have one, but we're just gonna fight
Yeah.
for a bit. I'll keep count on the screen though. Damn. You should have died there. Did those not hit? That was directly in you.
Whoa.
Dead. Are you still alive?
Spawn right here. Yes.
No, you didn't respawn. You just didn't die. I'm still counting that though.
Do it. I did. What?
You stuck your gun inside your chest and shot.